Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be talking about Earth. Earth is the planet where we all live, and it's in our galaxy. Our galaxy has a bunch of different planets on it. This is what Earth looks like from space. What color do you see mostly? Did you say blue? Then you would be right, because blue is the color of most of the Earth. And blue is what? What do you think the blue is? If you said water, you were right. 70% of the Earth is water. And the other parts, the green parts, that's land. That's where we live. So believe it or not, even though we may seem like we're far away from the beach, most everywhere on our planet is water. Now, we can't drink all the water. We can only drink fresh water. We can't drink water that's in the ocean. That's called seawater. The reason why is because it has a lot of salt in it. Sometimes if you're ever in the ocean and then you might just get like a droplet on your lips, it tastes salty. You don't want to drink it, but if you just like taste it from your lips, it's okay. Yes, humans, people like us, can't drink that. We can only drink fresh water. Fresh water that comes from a lake, and then it goes into the water filtration system in your town. Sometimes it's stored in a water tower. Boys and girls, when you're out sometime, look to see if you see any water towers. And that water is fresh water for us to drink. Okay, so let's see. We live on this planet, but guess what? There's other planets in our solar system. And I'm going to show them to you right now. What? Do you see? See the sun right here? No, other hand. Sun. See a reverse image. There's the sun. Boys and girls, everyone knows about the sun. It's what keeps us warm. It's what gives us life on our planet. And if you notice, the Earth is the third planet from the sun. There we are, right there, third planet from the sun. We're the only planet in the whole solar system that there's life. We're the only people in the whole solar system because Earth is just perfect for us to live on. So, here's your Earth, okay? And did you know Earth goes around, well, all the planets do. We go around the sun. Whoops. We go around the sun. How long does it take for us to go around the sun? 1 year. It takes us 1 year to go all the way around the sun. There you go. Boys and girls, do you know how old Earth is? Super old. Even older than Miss Joan. The Earth is not 10 years old, not 20 years old, not 100 years old. It's 4.5 billion years old. That's really old. That's how old Earth is. And let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, this is what Earth looks like when it's flattened out. I'll show it to you. You can see all the continents. You see that? Let's see. There's 7 continents. That's something, you know what, boys and girls can do with their moms and dads, is find out about the names of all the continents. But I'm just going to show you North America right here, where we live. We live in North America, South America. That's us. The white up there, it's really cold. On the North Pole and the South Pole, pretty cold. Okay, there's lots of different places on Earth that have all different kinds of weather. There are forests. There are deserts. Deserts, all sand, just all sand. Forests, just all woods and trees. And then there are mountains. Oh yeah, there's some really big mountains on our planet Earth. The biggest mountain well, let's see, we live in New Jersey, which is in the United States of America. And one of the biggest mountain in the United States of America is this one. Let's see if anybody recognizes this mountain. That's right, it's in Alaska. Does anybody know the name of it? Let's turn to my notes. Denali, very tall mountain, very tall. You're not even going to believe this, boys and girls, but Miss Joan has been on 3 giant-sized mountains in our country. Let me show you a picture. The first one. This one I went to the top of. Boys and girls, if you notice, it looks a little bit like the surface of the moon. Oops, I dropped it. And this, the white stuff, that's clouds. This mountain is so tall, it's 10,000 feet, that the top of it is above the clouds. You're on the top, you're looking down at the clouds. And it looks a little bit like the surface of the moon. The name of this is Haleakala, and it's in Hawaii on the island of Maui. Now this is a nice mountain for Miss Joan to go on because I didn't have to climb up to the top. I got to drive in the car up to the top. And this is the highway. There's the road. And you go all the way up. You can drive right up to the top. And then when you get up there, it's 10,000 feet up. It's very, very cold. Freezing. And then down in the bottom, it's toasty warm because it's in Hawaii. Okay, so I went to that mountain. Here's another mountain Miss Joan went to. Let me show you this one. Now this one I didn't climb to the top, but I got up pretty high. See it? It's all covered the white. Do you know what that is? If you said snow, you're right. That's snow. This is Mount Rainier in Washington State, near Seattle. And this Mount Rainier is over 14,000 feet up. So, yep, I've been to that one. And here's the last mountain, giant mountain I've been to. And that's not far from Washington State. It's in Oregon. And it's Mount St. Helens. And if you notice, there's a little bit of smoke coming out of it. That's okay. Because a long, long time ago, it was a volcano, and it erupted, and a bunch of spewed ash and dust came out. But now, so that's why you see it doesn't have a top on it. But do you see the little smoke coming out? That's totally fine. A little bit of smoke just comes out all the time on that mountain, and this way it doesn't have to poof blow its whole lid off. So, boys and girls, that's it for today. That's all your earth facts for today. Oh wait, no, I forgot to tell you one more thing. There's mountains under the sea. That's how deep the ocean is. The ocean is so deep that there's mountains, but we can't even see them because it's covered with water. Fun fact. Okay, now that really is it for today. See you guys again tomorrow. Bye-bye.